The only item that you should touch on the Dashboard tab is selecting the student at the top. You can track data for more than one student. In this example, for Michael, I can see under College Expenses table how much each year has been spent for tuition, housing, and other college cost categories. At the bottom, you also see the total for each year in college. The Payment and Loans table shows you how the expenses were paid, what sources were utilized. The way majority of people pay college expenses are with grants, scholarships, savings, 529 plan funds, and loans. You can see what are the largest funds used to cover college expenses. There are totals for each category as well as visual color indicators of the largest cost. The loans table summarizes the type of loans the family and student had to take in order to bridge the gap between expenses and payments. The type of loans tracked here are the federal direct subsidized, unsubsidized, parent loans, and private loans. For each type of loans, you have the total loan amount, average interest rate for that category, monthly payments, and the total cost of the loans, which includes interest. The post-college repayment table tells the student what is the minimum salary required to pay off the student loans if the monthly payment is capped at 10% of monthly salary, how much in interest they would pay off during the standard 10-year period, and at what age they would repay all their student loans. It gives them more concrete information on what happens when you borrow too much for college.